Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the RUIERS brand senior walker. This is a foldable walker for people that are having difficulties walking. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out. Going to be using my father-in-law with this and let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Just a couple pieces that will need to be attached down at the bottom here on each. Of course, it'll have the manual that kind of walks you through exactly how to attach this stuff. And the key is that it's adjustable, as we'll see here. And just make sure that you're matching them up appropriately so that you don't have them misaligned. So I'll go ahead and set them up and show you there. All right, so first things first, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you place the wheels so that they're on the outside. And when you stick this in, you can see, just make sure you try and figure out exactly how many are the right size. So I'm going in 2 on each side. So just aligning each item to go 2. So we'll look for the second one on this. And you'll just need to turn it over to kind of see that. And that should then align you on height for each one, with the wheels again to the outside and all the holes to the inside. And there you have it. It should be the same height. This piece, I believe, is to help kind of fold things in, and so it will fold in. Make sure you read your instructions. All right, so to demo the one-touch folding, all you're going to do is press this button in, and then it should close up very tight, nice and flat. And then again, just open it up. Make sure it clicks into place. You shouldn't be able to kind of fold from there. But this way, it'll click, pop it back, fold it into place, and there you go. So a very convenient piece. Hopefully this review has helped, and thanks for watching.